In this video, we are going to discuss about how a application of a robotic structure is going to work. So, simple example is to do the pick and place operations where the parts are finished in the robot, and it has to do finally after completing all the operation, it must do pick and place. So this program must be recorded by the robot, and the entire process must be controlled by the manipulator of the robot, and the sequence must be carried out in the order. So one by one the sequence must be able to apply. So here the output of the initially the system is like this. Here is that the part identification quality control is done. So the part has to be held by the robot and it has to be placed in particular location. So here how the sequence is going to work is, see, the conveyor is signaled to start. It is stopped when various vision system reports that a bracket has been detected on the conveyor. So the vision system judges the bracket's position and orientation on the conveyor and inspect the bracket for defects such as wrong number of holes. Using the output of the vision system, the manipulator grasps the bracket with the specified force. The distance between the fingertips is checked to ensure that the bracket has been properly grasped. Otherwise, the robot moves out of the way and vision task is repeated. The bracket is placed in the fixture on the work surface. So the conveyor is signaled to start again and again for the next bracket, so that the step 1 and 2 is repeated again and again. So pin is picked from the feeder and inserted in the pathway into the tapered hole of the bracket. Force control is used to perform this insertion and perform simple checks on its completion. The bracket pin assembly is grasped on the robot and placed at the press. The press is commanded to actuate and it presses the pin the rest of the way into the bracket. By force sensing, the assembly is checked for proper insertion of the pin. If the assembly is judged to be good, the robot places the finished part in the next available pallet location. Once step 2 is complete, it will be going to the step 3.